The Rolls Royce Motorhome 2026 is the pinnacle of luxury that can be found on the road because of its magnificent combination of past accomplishments, cutting-edge technology, and exquisite craftsmanship. It is the pinnacle of comfort and ease in its purest form. A mobile estate that brings the beauty of a five-star hotel to life on wheels, this recreational vehicle, RV, is a rolling estate. Those individuals who are looking for elegant comfort when they are traversing the world were the target audience for the design of this item. Upon initial inspection, the exterior design exudes an air of sophistication that is immediately apparent. The legendary Rolls Royce grille, the Spirit of Ecstasy insignia, and sleek lines are paired with cutting-edge LED lighting and a whisper-quiet electric powertrain in order to deliver a ride that is as smooth as silk. This is accomplished by combining all of these elements. As soon as you go inside, you are greeted by a living space that is very tastefully done. It is characterized by handcrafted wood paneling, high-quality leather furnishings, and crystal lighting fixtures. There are a variety of activities that can be enjoyed in this lounge, including relaxation, conversation, or simply soaking in the scenery via the large windows. A queen or king-size bed that is draped in the finest linens, handcrafted cabinetry, and ambient lighting that responds to your mood are all characteristics that can be found in the bedroom, which provides an unrivaled sense of peacefulness. The bedroom also has many other features that can be found in the space. It is a safe sanctuary for you to retreat to while you are on the road. Some of the features that contribute to the astonishing design of the bathroom include a spacious walk-in shower, heated marble floors, and high-end fixtures that provide a degree of luxury that is comparable to that of a spa wherever you go. This includes soundproof insulation, smart home controls, and expandable modules that can be utilized to increase the amount of space that is accessible within the home at the push of a button. All of these components are integrated in a seamless manner. Whether it is parked in a mountain retreat or gliding along the beach, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is able to transform every journey into a statement of elegance. This is true regardless of the location from where it is traveling. When you are traveling with Rolls Royce, it is not enough to merely arrive at your destination. You must also arrive in a manner that is truly outstanding.